Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss to read from a text file having multiple spaces, remove the multiple spaces and replace it with single space and write in a target file. First we will define one function. The name of the function is remove multiple spaces. Fn is equal to open sample.txt, R. Here fn is the file handle, sample.txt is the source file, and R is read mode. Now we'll open the target file. Fout is equal to open remove text, double mode. Double mode is to write in the target file. To read from the source file, we have to write data is equal to fn.read. It will give a string. Now we can use split function which will split the source file to words. It will split on white spaces. Word is equal to data.split will do this job. Now we can use join function to join each word. We want a single space in between each word. For that we have to write S is equal to within single quote one single space dot join within bracket word. After writing, we can give a simple message data written without multiple spaces successfully. Now reading and writing job is done. We can close both the files. To close both the files, we can write fin.close and fout.close. The read and write mode should be in double quotes. We have to write double quotes before and after read and write mode. Now we'll execute the program and we can see the result. We got the message data written without multiple spaces successfully. We can also read the target file. Now we have to open removed space.txt file in read mode. For that we have to write fout is equal to open removed space.txt, R. Now we want to print the data inside the target file. For that we have to write print fout.read. Now we'll close the file and we can see the result. All multiple spaces in source file is replaced by single spaces, and in the target file we have only words with single space. We can see the result in Notepad also. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.